Breaking news, a potential disaster averted, a testament to preparedness, and a stark reminder of the forces of nature. Just days ago, Japan issued coastal tsunami advisories, activating its well-honed emergency response system. These advisories served as a crucial alert, prompting necessary precautions along vulnerable coastlines. Following an 8.8 magnitude earthquake off Russia's Kamchatka Peninsula, a powerful tremor that reverberated across the Pacific. The earthquake's magnitude immediately raised concerns about potential tsunami generation, sending waves toward northern Japan. These waves, though not as devastating as feared, underscored the ever-present threat faced by coastal communities. Tsunami alert in Japan. The nation held its breath, bracing for the potential impact, how it happened, and why it matters. This event offers valuable lessons in disaster preparedness and the importance of robust warning systems. On July 30, 2025, a date that will be etched in the minds of many involved in disaster management, a massive 8.8 magnitude quake hit off Kamchatka, Russia, unleashing seismic energy that rippled through the Earth's crust, triggering tsunami warnings across the Pacific, including Japan, a nation acutely aware of its vulnerability to these natural disasters. The Pacific Tsunami Warning Center immediately sprang into action, monitoring the situation and disseminating crucial information. Waves up to 1.3 meters were recorded in Iwate Prefecture, a testament to the power of the earthquake and the subsequent tsunami it generated, before advisories were lifted the following day. The all-clear signal brought a collective sigh of relief, but the experience served as a critical reminder. Japan's J-Alert system instantly broadcast warnings to millions, utilizing a sophisticated network of sensors and communication channels, giving residents precious minutes to move inland, a critical window of opportunity that can mean the difference between life and death. The efficiency of the evacuation process highlighted the effectiveness of Japan's disaster preparedness infrastructure. This recent alert echoes the devastating March 11, 2011 tsunami, a catastrophe that remains deeply ingrained in the nation's collective memory. The wave that reshaped Japan's coastline, leaving an indelible mark on the landscape and the lives of countless individuals, altered global nuclear policy, prompting a reassessment of nuclear safety protocols and emergency response strategies worldwide, and killed over 20,000 people. A tragic loss that spurred significant investment in disaster mitigation and preparedness measures. Let's break it down. Understanding the science behind tsunamis is crucial for effective preparedness and response. A tsunami is caused by undersea megathrust earthquakes, the most powerful type of earthquake on the planet, where tectonic plates collide deep under the ocean, building up immense pressure over time. This pressure eventually releases in the form of a massive earthquake, displacing massive amounts of water. This sudden displacement generates a series of powerful waves that radiate outwards from the epicenter. On July 30th, seismic sensors detected the quake, providing crucial data about its magnitude and location. These sensors are part of a global network that constantly monitors seismic activity. Within seconds, J-Alert broadcast to citizens, delivering timely warnings directly to their mobile devices and other communication channels. Within minutes, tsunami warnings were raised, activating a network of sirens and public address systems along the coast. Along the Pacific coast of Hokkaido through Kyushu, a vast stretch of coastline was put on high alert, requiring coordinated action from local authorities and emergency responders. Nearly 2 million people were advised to evacuate, demonstrating the scale of the potential threat and the importance of heeding evacuation orders. Fortunately, waves peaked at about 1.3 meters, significantly less than the devastating waves of 2011, but still capable of causing damage and posing a risk to coastal communities. And the advisory was lifted by midday July 31st. The lifting of the advisory brought a sense of relief and allowed residents to return to their homes and businesses. There was only one confirmed fatality linked to evading the coast, a tragic reminder of the dangers associated with rapid evacuations and the need for caution. This was a drill we didn't choose, but preparedness minimized damage. The event served as a real-world test of Japan's disaster preparedness systems, highlighting both strengths and areas for improvement. Why is this timely? Japan lies atop the Pacific Ring of Fire, a region of intense seismic and volcanic activity. Scientists warn a major tsunami is not a matter of if, but when. Continuous research and monitoring are essential for improving prediction models and mitigating the impact of future events. Social media also revived long-standing prophecies, adding another layer of complexity to the public's perception of the event. such as those by Ryo Tatsuki, dubbed the Japanese Baba Vanga, whose predictions have gained a significant following online, who predicted a huge tsunami in July 2025. While these prophecies should be viewed with skepticism, they contribute to the ongoing conversation about disaster preparedness. This near miss highlights modern warning systems work, providing crucial time for evacuation and minimizing potential casualties. But we must remain vigilant. Complacency can be deadly in the face of natural disasters. Evacuation protocols must be regularly reviewed and updated to ensure their effectiveness. Early warning tech, like J-Alert, requires continuous investment and improvement to stay ahead of potential threats, and education saves lives. Public awareness campaigns and disaster preparedness training are essential for building resilient communities. Remain prepared. Know your evacuation routes. Familiarize yourself with local emergency plans and procedures. Watch for sirens. Trust scientific warnings. Heed the advice of emergency officials and follow their instructions. Help spread awareness. Share this video and other resources to educate your friends, family, and community. Subscribe for updates and never underestimate the ocean. Its power is immense, and respect for its forces is paramount for coastal safety.